and we know it's food now, since I've guessed it a little, so it's gonna be something food. What is that? Is it like cinnamon rolls or something? It looks like cinnamon rolls. Yes, freshly made cinnamon rolls is what it is. Oh my gosh. So that is the last day for me. And I don't know what everybody else got, but I got cinnamon rolls for my last day at Midsummer. This is actually really sad to be thinking about, like, we won't be having Midsummer anymore after the Rainbow Festival. Like, it's literally going to be gone. And I've been here ever since Midsummer started, so it's kind of like, oh my gosh, this is actually really sad for me because I've been here ever since it started, and I feel like that horse was here yesterday. That is really freaky. Same with the cat. The cat is glitched up. So we have a oh my gosh, that is actually really disturbing. Oh gosh. So I guess it's a cat with deformed legs. It looks like one of those classic old cats that you get from Fort Pinta's pet store that don't really run around, but you put them in just to have like as a decoration. And I want to just see if I can find some mane and tail bows and a saddle bag to match this set to like finish the gorgeous look, because I know I have something that suits the brown. I need horse gear. Oh my gosh. Okay. I know there's some mane and tail bows here that could suit it. I mean, it's a darker colored. I don't think I have any other lights. I mean, I don't have any light brown saddlebags.